Hi, and welcome to the Trusted Choice Social Media Content Calendar. You can use this monthly social media calendar to plan your social posts with our ready-to-use content. New calendars are released 30 days before the start of the new month. Here, you will find posts that you can use throughout the month on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. First, you will see these buttons where you can download the current monthly social media calendar. Next, you will see where you can sign up to receive new calendars to your email. Next on the page, you will see key dates and themes that are relevant in the month. Following, you will see social posts for the month organized by week. Some of the social posts are graphics that are linked to content to share, while others are text with links. With the copy that includes a link, an image is often included. You can use the image that we have on the site, or if you are posting the link on Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, an image associated with the link will pop up that you can also use. A piece of content to share will look like this and will include suggested copy. You will have options to either share to Twitter or to Facebook and have an option to download the image as well. The majority of the posts will have a post date listed as anytime, meaning you can post it during any time of the month. When we have a suggested post date, we will list it here beneath the post. Now, let's take a look at the associated PDF. On the PDF, you will see the same key themes and posts as on the website. You can save, download, and print this PDF. On the first page, there are multiple links that will take you to pages associated with the calendar. The first button is for our graphics templates. The templates are on Canva, a graphic design website. When you click on the button, you'll be taken to a page such as this one. Here you will see a button titled Use Templates, where you will be asked to sign into your Canva account. If you do not have a Canva account, you will be able to easily create one. On Canva, you will be able to copy the graphics and make changes to the graphics that fit your needs. Now back to the PDF. You see the following buttons that are underneath the month's themes. For the month of July, we highlighted summer, home, and business content. When you click on these buttons, you will be taken to the associated content to share page for that content. Below the buttons, you will see a piece of featured news. This is where we will announce any new and upcoming content and when it will be on content to share. The second page of the PDF is where we include the captions and monthly calendar layout. You can click this button here to be taken to the suggested captions for the graphics. Remember, you can also find the captions on our monthly social media calendar page. The suggested captions is a Google Word doc where we also give you some tips on how to help elevate your social media presence, as well as give you suggested platforms and purpose lines. We have divided our purpose lines into two, personal lines and business lines. Generally, our personal lines have been designated for Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and our business lines for LinkedIn, but you know your audience best. Now let's head back to the PDF. Above each graphic is a keyword that is associated with the main objective on the graphic. Each word is also a link that will take you to that image and content to share. If you have any questions, you can email us at trustedchoice@iiaba.net. We are always happy to help. Happy posting!